My name is Jenaline M. Aquino. I'm 42 years old. I'm married. I have 2 kids. I'm 4 years working as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. I know how to cook a simple Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn more Chinese food. And I'm a good helper, hardworking, polite, and most especially, I'm honest. All I want to prepare is work alone and taking kids or newborn baby. That's all. Thank you.